Hi everyone, welcome back. So, second question would be a really nice one. I love this because it's my love. So, the second question is, can you describe your perfect mascara? If you are following me on this channel or my older channel, you know how much I love mascara and I love doing mascaras review. I'm gonna link in the card description box down below. I have a playlist for mascaras review and there's a lot of reviews coming up. So for me, the perfect mascara is one is super black, like super duper black, and volume and length in the same time, and there's no smudging. It's not waterproof, but in the same time it can stays all day. Like the staying power stays all day, especially in the very hot weather. And the packaging, for me, the packaging of the mascara is one of very important things, to look so girly or so nice, like having this kind of a crazy shape, or having a nice bright colors, or having this feminine kind of a packaging. I love the packaging to look girly and beautiful, and the brush need to be a silicone brush. I love silicone brush because I have kind of a small eyes with a really long lashes, so a small silicone brush is so convenient for me, and I loved applying mascara with it because it's so easy for me to apply from the top, from the bottom. It's so amazing for me. So it's silicone and flexible. So this is my perfect mascara, and of course the consistency of the mascara itself, so black and so soft. It can glide on my lashes very easily and doesn't like make clumps, or like doing this spiral lashes, especially with two or more coats. So I guess I had it all. So this is for me is my perfect mascara. So this is part of this question. It was a little bit long, but okay, I really wanted to go in details. So now let's go to the third question. Will be tomorrow. So I'm gonna see you very soon. Bye.